one of the things I looked at is practicing that if everything's just an event, we attach our views on it. Yeah. So something might happen, and your first thing might be, oh, that's pretty bad. But somebody else's might be, oh, that's okay. And someone else might be going, oh, that's good, because we're all coming from our own baselines of what's good and bad. So I started, and it's a simplistic way, and this was years ago, but I started just trying to pigeonhole everything and anything that happened was convenient or inconvenient. So no matter what it was, and for example, you break down in the car, you're a flat tire, you can get out and go, oh, and kick the car and get hot under the collar and all of those things. Or you can go, well, this is an inconvenience. I now have to open the boot, I'm running late, put the jack under, change the tire, jump in. So it's an inconvenience. And then something else might happen and pigeonhole it. Is it inconvenient or convenient? And just with everything, inconvenient or convenient. Yeah. And I know it sounds a simplistic way of looking at it, but it really assisted me to therefore just know that everything that happens is just an event. And if it's an inconvenient event, there's just steps to get around that inconvenient event and keep going, rather than dramatising it and holding on to it. Yeah. And you know the old one, running late for work and the car cuts you off and you're like, ah, and the second car cuts you off and you're like, beep, and by the time the third car cuts you off, you're hanging out the window. Now, the third car only did the same thing as the first car, but because of all these inconvenient events, you've now built it up and you've now reacted 100 times worse than what you would have for the first time. So it kind of snowballs on